Hey Curly, so today I have a super awesome video for you guys. I have a brand new palette. It's super amazing. It is the Pat McGrath new palette. It's one of her new minis. She released a whole bunch of new minis for the holiday season. I have this one right here. This one is the, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I don't know which one this is. It's the super cute festive looking one. This looks very holiday to me, especially with the red and the green and the golds. Like, everybody knows gold is definitely a holiday color, and so is red and green. I have created this eye look right here for you guys. I've used every color in this palette to create this look. It's a very simple look. You can wear it anywhere. If you are interested in seeing how I accomplish this super amazing look, go ahead and stay tuned, because I'm gonna stop talking because I have way too much energy, way too much excitement. I'm excited for you to see this video, so I'm gonna stop talking and get right into it. If you really like it, drop down in the comments and let me know. If you have any other requests for eyeshadow looks, also let me know in those comments, or for products you want to see me demo. I got a lot of stuff that I need to record a video about, but nonetheless, I'm gonna stop talking and jump into the video. I hope you really like it. Alright, so I have a Pat McGrath palette here. So for my birthday, I got a lot of great gifts. I got engaged. I got this lovely shawl from my sister, and then my sister and my nephew got me this amazing Pat McGrath palette. So I am here to bring you guys a real quick tutorial. So this is one of her new mini palettes, and it is so pretty. So I've already done this eye look over here, and it's like a really subtle look, but it's like really festive, and it goes with my super cute shawl. So I'm gonna do the exact same look on this same, not same eye, the other eye. So I'm here to bring you that right now. And since it was so much great stuff, I felt like I definitely needed my queen headband. It's actually becoming like my signature YouTube headband, because this is like when I pull it out. When it's time to record, I got this headband on, because number one, my edges is never laid by the end of the day, and number two, I just feel like it looks so cute on camera. I don't know, just me. So I'm gonna use most of the colors in this palette. I'm gonna start with this light brown color right here. It's like a brow bone color. I've already done all my other makeup, so I'm not going to put on any blush or anything. I just used a bunch of bronzer, and then I did a mostly natural eye. So this brown shade is like really close to my skin tone, which is why I like putting it in my upper lid, because I feel like it looks super natural. And Pat McGrath's formula is freaking amazing, so it blends like a dream. Here is my second shade. The deepest brown is what I'm going to put right underneath it on that brow bone to give it a little bit of depth and dimension. You only need to tap the brush in the pigment like maybe twice. And I literally mean tap, don't rub. Just tap it to pick it up. And this is just to give my lid a little bit of depth, a little bit of color, a little bit of boom, boom, pow. You know what I'm saying? So I got that going, and it's like a very natural look. So now I'm going to dip into the shimmers. So this is my favorite part of every eye look, is the shimmers. So for this shimmer, I'm going to use two colors. I'm going to use this gold right here. So this gold right here, and then I'm going to use this color right here. This color looks red in the pan, but it's like one of those duochrome colors. So like when you tilt it, I don't know if you guys can see it. I can see it in person, and you can kind of see on my lid that for the most part, my lid mostly looks all brown, but like when the light hits it a certain way, it looks red. So this is like a reddish, brownish color. So they look really great together. So I'm going to start with just that gold color though. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner, and I'm going to just use my flat brush to get that in there. And it doesn't have to be particularly neat, because we're going to be blending. We're going to be blending today. If you can't tell, I'm in like a really silly mood. The holiday season is my favorite season, so I've got all of my Christmas stuff going, but yeah, I don't know, I'm just in the mood. And now, so I put the gold in the inner corner kind of towards the middle, and then I'm going to start building the red up from the outer corner towards the middle. And then I'm going to work towards blending these two colors together. Now, when I first put this on, I was so confused because I'm like, OMG, I know I put this red color on, but I can't see it. But that's because depending on how the light hits it, it looks brown, because I thought I put more brown on than red. Y'all. No, okay, just kidding. I just really can't tone my energy down right now. I'm on like a 10. I'm on a 20. Or am I on a 40? No, I'm on like 1,000. I'm just really in the mood. So do you see right here, it looks super red as I apply it. But then as time goes on, it will look more brown. And so now I'm just focusing on blending the two colors together. So once I have them both on my lid, what I like to do, this isn't like a cut crease or anything like that. So then I'm going to take that fluffy brush I used earlier to blend that sparkle up. So I'm going to blend it up just to soften it. Just to soften it just a little bit. And this is like, especially if you're not doing a cut crease, you're just doing like a really cute lid, this is a great way to do it. You just blend, so you put on like your brow bone color, then your lid color, and then once you do it all, you blend it. So I decided for the under eye, since it's such like a soft, like muted eye look, this is actually a soft look altogether. I'm soft today. This is the fakest smile. That's so fake. Anyways, I decided to go for a little bit of festive fun since I'm in the holiday season mood. And I put this green on the under eye. It has absolutely nothing to do with any color that, literally, I'm not wearing green at all. And yeah, it has nothing to do with nothing, but I really like it. I think it's really nice to give a nice color. I cannot multitask. I can't do my under eye right and talk. Like every time I do it while I'm talking, I mess up. And I have to make these crazy faces. All right. So now I have that. And so the only color I haven't used so far is this color right here. And so what I think I'm going to do is put, last minute decision, I'm going to put a little bit in the inner corner. Just so I can use it. Because I feel like I should use everything. And that is so pretty. So I have used every color in this palette for this look. This look is super cute. The only thing it's missing is a little bit of mascara, which I have right here. Latest Obsession, the Benefit Roller Lash. I got this as a deluxe sample. It's amazing. It be having my eyelashes literally popping. And I'm not going to put the eyeliner. The mascara on too heavy. Because I'm just not in the mood for super black lashes. My lashes are pretty long, so I have to be careful not to get it on my lid. I think dual chrome eyeshadows are the coolest invention ever. Like, I absolutely love that depending on the angle, depends on whether it looks red or green. I think that's really cute. I have on lip gloss. I'm just going to refresh it. I have on this Kylie Cosmetics Popping Gloss. It's kind of like a brown gloss. Very neutral, just like my look. So this is my completed look. This look is so cute. It's full of all my birthday love right now. So I've got my eyeshadow palette for my nephew and my sister. Shout out to them. I love you guys. I've got my shawl for my other sister. I love you too. I love all of my family and my siblings. I love all my nieces and my nephew. I just want to say I love you all, and I love all of you. That's right, I love you too. I am just in a really loving mood. The Christmas season always puts me in a super amazing mood. I'm always in a good mood, but this puts me in like a top 10 kind of mood. Anyways, I could go on all night because clearly I am in too good of a mood. So I'm going to go ahead and thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this eye look. It's really easy and simple to recreate. Love the colors. It's a really nice soft look. You can really wear it anywhere. Holiday party, work. I'm going to wear this to work tomorrow, actually, to be exact. But yes, you could wear this look anywhere. I hope that you give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel, because who doesn't want to be a part of this great big family of love? I know you do, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I hope that you all have a super amazing day, and I want to thank you for watching. And yeah, I hope you have a good time until I see you again. Bye guys.